Good day, Sir Jason Paul Trinidad. I'm Omar Amir E. Abdullah Almueni, and this is my final assessment video for Malayan. I will now begin singing the hymn while following of the guidance. First verse of Malayan hymn. We are the son and daughter of Malayan, born of vision clear and bright. We are the dreamers, the builder of tomorrow. We are the keeper of the light. Verse 2. We are son and daughter of Malayan, strong in our faith and unity. Is the challenge, the test of timing enduring. For truth, for life, for liberty. O Malayan, our heart, our mind, our hand we rise. To you our song of praise, of Malayan will march to victory with honor, love, and loyalty. Thank you very much, sir. That conclude my final assessment performance to Malayan hymn.